What's up? I'm back. Mhm. My day been a good day so far. I got up and got some tea. I got out of it. I got this. It's worth it to do what I did to gain to get that my lifestyle. Chaos. Just this bottle. Huge bottle of water. I collect some stuff in my life. I collect stuff time to time. The more popular things I like to collect is from school. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these suckers. 5 of these suckers. To popular. I got 2 mets. I got the most fooding any human being. Probably any human being needs. I still got a good amount of time on my hands. I don't smoke when I'm nowhere. Hi. Doggies.
They're about to pull me out this step. Now they'll jump on they'll jump on you now. Can you believe they're grown?
I know.
They're a year old. They were a year old in February.
You never did get him fixed, did she? She should have.
And my little finger ain't doing no good at all.
Your what? Why?
He said it may never be right again.
What?
The cartilage and that knuckle
Uh-huh.
that he had to put back in place, the cartilage disappeared.
Uh-oh.
What?
He
What?
done the surgery on it to put that. He had to re-break
Fusion.
the fracture.
Ah,
Mickey!
Mickey.
He
Good.
had to re-break.
Get ready to be tangled a lot.
We cut
What
it
do you
open.
do?
He had to re-break the where it was fractured
Uh-huh.
and put the knuckle back in place. And he said when he got in there was very little cartilage for my knuckle.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Well, how come he didn't put a cast on it to
He
straighten
did.
it up?
He did. He put it had a split on it with the metal, and it held it straight. But he wants me to try to bend it because it's not. That's as far as it's going. So I have to do. I'm sitting here this way all the time, trying to make it bend. But he said it may never. He told me that before I had the surgery, but I had to have the surgery because it was dislocated.
So you finally found your way home. I got my hair cut. I had to wait to get my hair cut. There was a wait because everybody
What?
was getting freaking their hair dyed and stuff.
I'm just waiting for that stimulus.
Why
check
are
to
you
come in.
wrapping around me?
They're always up front. Everybody didn't see.
I thought you got yours direct deposit.
I do get it, but it ain't got. I went to the bank yet.
How did that
I
not go to the bank yet?
I
Everybody
got-
else got theirs.
That's just stupid, though. That's just stupid.
For citizens,
Tell my dog say John.
on my phone.
Mickey the one that likes to bark at everybody anyways.
Amanda hasn't got hers either. Shannon got hers, little brat.
Uh-huh.
I told Amanda to tell Shannon to tell her friends that they need to go ahead and give me and her mama our stimulus check.
What are you barking at?
Hey, cat.
Whose cat is that?
No one down knows. They always come around here.
I think it's the people that used to live down there. I think they left it here. Because those people down there, they used to have a cat. They used to have actually 2 or 3 of them.
Yeah, that's a big ass cat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
It's coming right for the dogs, too.
stupid cat.
Is it?
Yeah.
It is.
That'll be funny if the cat gets back. Gets smacked.
Dogs might get smacked.
Mickey and Minnie might get smacked.
No,
Go chase it away, Mo.
I'm the master out chasing stuff away.
It's
It's leaving. Don't
It's
chase
leaving.
it.
Don't chase it.
Yeah, don't chase it. It's leaving.
These two is about to pull me off this damn stick.
Back. Get back here.
Bye, Mel.
Get back here.
Mickey and Minnie, stop.
Oh, Mickey almost trapped.
I brought them out to use the bathroom. They ain't used the bathroom yet for barking.
Get back here.
Come here.
Come here, Mickey.
These 2 dogs don't know how to
Get
behave.
over here, Minnie. Get over here, Mickey.
What are you doing?
Get over
Recording?
here.
Recording what?
Get over
Yourself?
here.
Willie! Willie, Granny!
Get over here.
Willie!
Yeah.
Willie!
Get
It's for
over
you
here.
too, Granny.
Yeah, it's leaving. The cat's leaving. Just came to say hi and he's bye.
All guys said here, say hi, bye.
Yeah, it just walked over here to say hi and bye.
They're about to.
It's gone.
Talk about stuffed dogs. But they still look like puppies,
It's a
though.
male cat. You can see where
Yeah.
it's spraying everywhere.
Yep.
Definitely
Mo.
a male.
Do me a big favor.
Yeah?
Get that bicycle and take it to the back.
Okay, I took you.
Please.
Don't mess with
Put
me,
a
phone.
pee on the rat poison. He comes to you.
What?
He's about to pull my arm out of socket.